Check out this humongous zucchini I bought today at an Amish market. It's almost as big as me. Today we're going to stuff some zucchini. For this recipe we'll need ground beef, fresh garlic, chopped onions, diced tomatoes, tomato sauce, the carved out center of the zucchini, mozzarella cheese, thyme, and salt and pepper. First, cut the zucchini into quarters. Then scoop out the center and set it aside. We'll work with those later. Clean out the big seeds and chop up the rest. Sprinkle some salt on the scooped pieces to help draw out the moisture, and then let them sit for a bit. Meanwhile, start cooking the ground beef in a pan. Add some salt, pepper, and thyme, and then throw in some garlic and onion. Let it all cook together until the flavors blend, and then add the zucchini centers and tomatoes. The house smells so good. Cook on low heat for a while, then let it cool down. Now we'll wipe out the excess moisture the salt pulled out of the zucchini. Add marinara sauce to the beef and into the pan. Stir it all up, and then add the mozzarella cheese, mixing it as much as you can. Now it's time to stuff the zucchinis. Don't forget to top them off with more mozzarella. Pop it into a 375-degree Fahrenheit oven for 45 minutes and you're ready to eat. And don't forget to subscribe for more ideas and recipes.